Hello friends, myself Yogeshwar Sahu from class 9. So in this video, we will talk about brain drain. So what is brain drain? What are the causes of brain drain? What are the impact of brain drain? And what are the solution that we can change brain drain into brain gain? That we will talk about in this video. So without wasting time, let's start. What are the causes of brain drain in India? So first cause is lack of job opportunities in India. As India is not much more focusing in the manufacturing sector, that's why there is much less job opportunities in India. Okay, so this is only the major and crucial role of brain drain, right? So second is poor infrastructure. We all know that India has very poor infrastructure, right? So it is also the cause of brain drain. And third is corruption. You, including me, and all over the India knows that India has very much corruption, right? So when highly skilled peoples, highly talented, educated, qualified peoples, they have to give money for their jobs, so that's why they are avoiding India because of corruption and moving towards developed countries which has less corruption, right? So this is also the cause. And next is for quality education and better surroundings, right? So India has not much better surroundings and not has quality educations. Okay, and the last is for research. India is not much more focusing on quality education and researches, and India has not much more ingredients to research, right? So for researching, the highly talented and highly skilled peoples are moving to developed countries for research, for more research, right? So these are the main causes of brain drain. So we talk about effect of brain drain in India. So let's start. So effect of brain drain. So first effect and the most negative effect of brain drain is lack or loss of highly skilled peoples. As all highly skilled, educated, talented peoples are moving to other countries, that's why India has lack of highly skilled peoples, right? Second is lack of innovative ideas. As talented peoples are moving to other countries and giving their contribute to other countries, so India has less innovative ideas, right? So third is lack of tax revenue. As a rich people who is highly skilled and educated is moving from India to other countries and giving their contribute of salary to other countries GDP or tax, so India's revenue is, that's why India's revenue is also affecting, right? It decreases gradually. That's why it is also the negative effect of brain drain in India, right? And fourth is less education and healthcare facilities. As highly skilled doctors and professors are moving to other countries and giving their contribute to other countries, and that's why India has not much more developed education and healthcare facilities, right? So all the ills, right, or the root ills are only the brain drain, that India's economy is not much more growing rapidly. Okay, so this is only the cause, brain drain, right? So we talk about solutions for the brain drain, that how we can overcome this brain drain in India. So let's talk about is providing favorable policies to the individual. What does an individual needs? They need quality educations, right? Better surroundings, good infrastructure, right? So government have to provide good infrastructure, quality education and all the favorable policies for individual, right? Second, government have to provide high salaries according to their qualification, degrees and talent, right? Third, develop a good infrastructure. As the highly skilled people can get good infrastructure in India only, why they will go in other countries? That's why government have to develop a good infrastructure in India only. Does it take times? But the starting is always from zero. So government have to start to develop infrastructure rapidly, so they can stop brain drain more rapidly, right? So the fourth solution is providing quality education in school as well as universities, as they can research in universities and schools of India only. So why the highly skilled and highly educated peoples will go to other countries, right? So government have to provide quality education, right? So these are the impacts, solutions, causes of brain drain in India, right? So thank you for watching this video and hope you like this video. Have a great day. Thank you.